These cute little things, abandoned in a zoo at ousted Ukrainian President Viktor Yanukovych's home, could face starvation after staff fled the facility in February. After the former president fled his home, people stormed the 343-acre estate to get a nosy into how he'd lived. There they found several mansions, a golf course and this private zoo, filled with more than 2,000 animals, including several exotic species. Most of the zoo staff had already left, leaving the animals to fend for themselves. Upon hearing that Yanukovych had fled, a former curator of the Kiev Zoo came to the estate to dedicate his time to the animals. There is a proposal of merging the zoo and its facilities with the Kiev Zoo to create a national park. In the meantime, however, the pressure is on to raise funds and get urgently needed supplies to the animals.